Let's see how to connect Realme Buds T100 to MacBook. Now go to the Bluetooth settings on the MacBook. If the Bluetooth device doesn't appear on your MacBook, then you need to reset Realme Buds. This is the touchscreen button. Press and hold the touchscreen button for about 10 seconds. Then the Realme Buds will be reset. Now the headphone Bluetooth device is showing up on your MacBook. Now connect your device. Now your Bluetooth headphones are connected. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please subscribe.